Okay, we're gonna do a review on the White Marseilles with the LSU Champagne. They're usually a little bigger in size, the LSU Champagne. Let's bring it closer. See, it's quite a difference in size. This is quite tiny, but they're not usually that small, but they're not this big, obviously. So let's compare the taste. We'll go over here first. So they both have a closed eye. The White Marseilles has a more sweeter taste. It's still considered mild compared to the other figs that I had. But the LSU, it's even more mild than that. But it has more, ripe texture. I think this can be improved if you ripen a couple more days. Let's take a look at that. But I'm just surprised a little bit. I would think the LSU Champagne would be sweeter since it's small, but it's even more riper. But the Marseilles are sweeter than the LSU Champagne, oddly. Yeah, it's a very good level of sweetness. The White Marseilles, I really like it. Well, the LSU Champagne, maybe I'm having not the best one. Maybe I'll have another review on it later. But to me, it's just like, it's smooth, no crunchiness, but it's lacking very low sugar. I barely taste anything. But the Marseilles, I just love it. Let's take a look at it again. See, so this one to me, it looks like it could be ripened more, but let's see how sweet this tastes without being fully ripened yet. So since it's not fully ripened, it doesn't have a lot of juice, it's not completely dry. It's sweet, but not as sweet as the first one that I cut out, which was more riper. But both of them can all use another couple more days to sweeten up. This is my last one for today, so let's give that a go. There you go. So it's as good as my first one. Overall, if I'm comparing just these two, I would definitely choose the White Marseilles over the LSU Champagne. But it's called LSU for a reason, so it should have been better than the basic White Marseilles. So I think I'm still gonna give it another chance. We'll take a look.